BOYA sent their BOYA Mini for our review, and these are really tiny wireless microphones for Type-C connectors, meaning an iPhone, the latest iPhone, or any type of Android with Type-C connector will work with these. But look at how tiny these things are. So they are 2.4 gigahertz wireless protocol, and this is the receiver right here. I can't believe it's so tiny. Very, very light. Love the fact that you can charge via USB-C as well. This little pack here where everything fits. But yeah, it is so tiny. Now, of course, what you're hearing right now is the iPhone in its natural state. The audio comes from this phone right now. I'm gonna put this mic back in here. I'm gonna wear one of these mics. So I could have it right here, I could have it here, maybe closer lapel style, but this is just gonna be fine. I'm gonna hand this little USB receiver to my wife. She's gonna put it on, and hopefully it actually picks up my voice and changes it on the fly. Let's see if it works. So right now it's sounding very, very noisy, I know, but let's figure this out. It says blue right here. It says blue, so there's a little blue light. So right now you should be able to literally have a complete reduction of the ambient noise and have a very clear voice. Now, I don't have to be close to the receiver. I can walk around meters and meters away to have kind of like that really nice professional sound. And like I said before, this also has noise reduction. There's a little NR button, which is fantastic because, you know, those birds, the wind, the waves crashing, cars passing by, my voice is still at the forefront. And yeah, BOYA, we've already tried it, by the way, so I know what you guys are listening right now. I was kind of impressed with such a small little package, such a small little microphone and small little receiver. It's impressive. You got to believe it.